Introduction. If you're new to meditation and looking for a way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, you're in the right place. Guided meditation is a fantastic starting point for beginners. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of guided meditation and provide practical tips to help you begin your mindfulness journey. Stick around until the end for a cheat sheet with the essential steps to start your guided meditation practice effectively. The basics of guided meditation. Guided meditation involves following along with a guide who leads you through meditation exercises. It's an excellent way to learn and practice meditation, especially for beginners. Here's why guided meditation can be beneficial. Provides structure and guidance. For beginners, having a structured approach is crucial. Guided meditation provides step-by-step instructions, making it easier to follow along and stay focused. This structure helps you learn meditation techniques and integrate them into your practice effectively. Reduces overwhelm and confusion. Starting a meditation practice can feel overwhelming, especially with numerous techniques and styles available. Guided meditation simplifies the process by offering clear guidance and support, helping you overcome any confusion or uncertainty about how to meditate. Enhances focus and concentration. A guided meditation can help you maintain focus and concentration during your practice. By following along with a guide, you can stay engaged and present, reducing the likelihood of your mind wandering. This enhanced focus contributes to a more effective meditation experience. Supports stress relief and relaxation. One of the primary benefits of guided meditation is its ability to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Guided sessions often include techniques for calming the mind and body, helping you unwind and find relief from daily stressor. Builds a solid foundation for meditation practice. Guided meditation is an excellent way to build a solid foundation for your meditation practice. By starting with guided sessions, you can develop a deeper understanding of meditation techniques and gradually transition to more independent practices as you gain confidence. Tips for starting guided meditation. To help you get started with guided meditation, here are some practical tips. 1. Choose the right guided meditation. Select a guided meditation that suits your needs and preferences. There are various types of guided meditations, including those focused on relaxation, stress relief, mindfulness, or specific goals. Explore different options to find a style and guide that resonates with you. 2. Set aside time for your practice. Dedicate a specific time each day for your meditation practice. Consistency is key to developing a meditation habit. Whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed, finding a regular time helps integrate meditation into your daily routine. 3. Create a comfortable space. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can meditate without distractions. It doesn't need to be a dedicated meditation room. A quiet corner of your home with a comfortable seat or cushion will work. Ensure the space is free from interruptions and conducive to relaxation. 4. Start with short sessions. As a beginner, start with shorter guided meditation sessions, typically 5-10 minutes. This allows you to ease into the practice without feeling overwhelmed. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the process. 5. Focus on your breath. During meditation, focus on your breath as a way to anchor your attention. Pay attention to the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This simple technique helps maintain mindfulness and presence. 6. Be patient and non-judgmental. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and avoid judging your progress. It's normal for your mind to wander, especially when you're just starting. Acknowledge any distractions and gently return to your practice without self-criticism. 7. Explore different guided meditations. Experiment with various guided meditation styles and lengths to find what works best for you. Different guides and techniques can offer unique benefits, so exploring different options can help you discover what resonates with your needs and preferences. 8. Use meditation apps or online resources. Consider using meditation apps or online resources to access a wide range of guided meditations. Many apps offer beginner-friendly sessions, customizable options, and features to track your progress. Utilizing these resources can support your meditation journey and provide valuable guidance. 9. Incorporate meditation into daily life. In addition to dedicated meditation sessions, try incorporating mindfulness into your daily activities. Practice being present and mindful during routine tasks, such as eating, walking, or commuting. This integration helps reinforce the benefits of meditation throughout your day. 10. Join a meditation community. Joining a meditation community, whether online or in person, can provide additional support and motivation. Engaging with others who share similar interests can enhance your practice and offer opportunities for learning and growth. Overcoming common meditation challenges. Starting a meditation practice can come with its own set of challenges. Here's how to address some common issues. 1. Difficulty quieting the mind. It's common for beginners to struggle with a racing mind. Instead of trying to force your mind to be silent, acknowledge your thoughts without judgment and gently guide your focus back to the meditation. Over time, you'll find it easier to cultivate a sense of calm. 2. Discomfort during meditation. If you experience physical discomfort during meditation, adjust your posture or use supportive props. Finding a comfortable seated position is essential for a pleasant meditation experience. Experiment with different postures to discover what works best for you. 3. Consistency in practice. Maintaining a consistent meditation practice can be challenging. Set reminders or schedule meditation sessions in your calendar to build a habit. Starting with short, manageable sessions can also help make consistency more achievable. 4. Feeling impatient with progress. If you feel impatient with your progress, remember that meditation is a gradual process. Trust in the journey and focus on the present moment. Celebrate small victories and continue to practice with an open and patient mindset. Conclusion. Guided meditation is a powerful tool for beginners to start their mindfulness journey and experience the benefits of meditation. By following these tips and incorporating guided meditation into your routine, you can enhance relaxation, reduce stress, and build a solid foundation for your practice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more mindful and peaceful journey ahead. Cheat sheet of essential steps for starting guided meditation. Choose the right guided meditation. Set aside time for your practice. Create a comfortable space. Start with short sessions. Focus on your breath. Be patient and non-judgmental. Explore different guided meditations. Use meditation apps or online resources. Incorporate meditation into daily life. Join a meditation community.